Good morning children. Today we are going to learn multiplication, the new chapter. Already last year I have explained multiplication, so just today I will give a glance so that you can do the recap exercise. Okay, so you have learned addition, no? So from addition we will come to this multiplication. Suppose if there is 2 is there. With 2 again you are adding 2. So 2 plus 2. How much? 4. Again same number you repeat and add. So now it is 6. Again same number, again you add. So it is 8 now. Again same number if you add, it is 10. Okay, so the number again you are repeatedly adding. Okay, so repeatedly add, so the total comes, it is 10. Repeatedly if you add, the total comes 10. So repeatedly when you add one number, it is how it comes multiplication. Now you see the number, what number you have added, the number added, you are adding 2. How many times you have added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are adding 5 times. So 2 5s are 10. This is the way addition comes to the multiplication. Addition and multiplication is related. Okay, so if you add the number repeatedly, it becomes the multiplication. Okay, so you can write now in short form, multiplication equal to repeated addition. Multiplication equal to repeated addition. So multiplication and addition both are related. Multiplication and addition both are related. So when you add a number repeatedly, so how many times you add, so that is becomes a multiplication. Okay, so you will know easily now. Suppose if the number is given like this, 7 plus 7 plus 7. So this one, how will you write in multiplication? So the number you are adding, which number you are adding? You are adding 7. And how many times you are adding? 1, 2, 3. 3 times you are adding. So 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. So this is the way you have to write. You find out which number you are adding and how many times you are adding. Then you multiply. This is the answer. This is the way you have to do. So this already you have learned last year also. So it is very easy. So in recap exercise the exams are given, so do it. Okay, last year you learned the multiplicative property also, so just I will give a glance. If you multiply any number by 0, suppose if there is a number 15, so 15 you are multiplying by 0. So if you multiply any number by 0, 0 is the answer. 0 multiplied by any number, it is also 0. Okay, 0 is multiplied by any number, or 5 is multiplied by 0, any number is multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. Again multiplying by 1, multiplying by 1. Now 8 multiplied by 1, you will get 8. 100 multiplied by 1, you will get 100. So if you multiply any number by 1, you will get the same number as the answer. So there is no change. Again multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000. Suppose if there is 25, you have to multiply by 10. So this 0, you look at the 0, only one 0 is there. Before 0 what number is there? 1. So this number you have to multiply by 1. So if you multiply by 1, same number only. So 25 multiplied by 1, 25. And how many zeros are there after 1? 1 0, so that you add. Now 25 into 100. So this number, you leave the zeros, only see the number. Here 1 is there. 1 if you multiply by 25, 25. And after 1, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros, that you add at the back. Now multiplying by 1000. Leave the zeros and multiply this number by this. 25 into 1, 25, and how many zeros are there? 3 zeros, that you are adding at the back. So this is multiplying by 10, 100, 1000, and it goes for all the multiples of 10, not multiples, powers of 10. Again, if the number is 6, you have to multiply by 300. So here 1 was there, and here 3 is there. So this 3 and this 6 you have to multiply. 6 3s are 18. And here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros that you will add at the back. Okay, now another number. (41) multiply by 20. So if you multiply by 2, any number if you multiply by 2, it becomes a double of this number. So double of this number, 41, double of 41 is, double of 4 is 8, double of 1 is 2, 82, and here 0 is there. Okay, now suppose if it is given like this, and you don't know this number, and here it is given 14. So you have to find the missing number. How will you find? Now here is 7, here 14. So 7 is double of 14, no? Double of 14. So it should be surely multiplied by 2, then only it becomes 14. So you will know to find the missing number, I think. So do it, okay? Again, now multiplication. Okay, now multiplying by single digit. Once again, just I will give a recap, okay? So multiplying by a single digit. So this number you are multiplying. First, this 4 you have to multiply all the digits of this number on the top, all the single digits. So first this ones digit you have to multiply. 4 3s are 12. So in 12 only 2 you will write here, and 1 is the carry over left here. Again, now the tens digit you multiply this number. 5 4s are 20. 20 already here 1 is there. 20 plus 1, 21. So 1 you will write here. Again the 2 you will carry to the next digit. Again this you have to multiply. First this you finish. Now this 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2, 30. So 0 you will write here. 3 here. Carry it here. Now this you have to multiply. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. Okay, in subtraction also you learned on the top number is called the minuend, again the second number is called the subtrahend, then the answer is called difference. Again in addition the adding numbers are called addends, and the answer is the sum. The same way here in multiplying also, the which number you are going to multiply, which number you are going to multiply, this is called multiplicand. This is called multiplicand, and the by which you are going to multiply, the number which is multiplied is called multiplicand. By which you are going to multiply, that is called multiplier. The answer you are getting now, that is called the product. In addition, in sum, the answer in plus in addition, the answer is called the sum. In subtraction, the answer is called the difference. And in multiply, the answer is called the product. Now multiplying by a double digits, 2 digits, how to multiply? First, this by this number, now you have to multiply this 2 digits, whatever the digits are there on the top. First, as usual, 5 2s are 10, so 0 you will write here, 1 is carried here, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1, 15. There is no more digits to carry, so you are writing as it is here. Now this ones, by multiplying by ones is over. Now you have to multiply by tens. So here you have to be careful. When you multiply by the tens digit, you have to write the answer from the tens digit only. You will not start the answer from the ones place. So this place you will not write. here you will not write anything. So you have to start from the tens place. You are multiplying by the tens place number, so you have to write the answer also from the tens place. If you multiply by the 100 digits number, the number in the hundreds place, you will write the answer from the hundreds place only. Okay, so that way you remember. This was multiplying by the ones place, so you started from the ones place. This is you are multiplying by the tens place, so you will write the answer, start the answer from the tens place. Now 3 5s are 15, so 5 you will write here and 1 is carried here. 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 2 22. The digits also arranged properly. So now you have to add these two. Okay, here no number, no, there is no number, that's why I wrote this. So you write this number as it is. 5 plus 5 10. This is normal addition. Okay, there is no difference. So 5 plus 5 10. So 0 you will write here, 1 is carried here, again 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, and here 2. So this is the answer. This is called the product. Okay, so now you complete the recap exercise. Thank you.